Tagline line here with my 2012 Harley Road King. A lot of you guys have suffered that solid front brake caliper lock where it's like this, can't even squeeze it due to the ABS module jacking up. So I talked to KnucklesTV, and actually I looked at his video, and what he was going to do is kind of cool. Is he was going to go ahead and bypass all these and kind of connect them together. He couldn't do it. So what he ended up doing was taking it apart, sticking a screwdriver in there, unplunging it, and the ABS module worked for a split second. And you'll be able to use your brakes. But once you take off, the ABS module tries to work again, doesn't work. It ends up locking your front handle again, and you're stuck like Chuck. So I followed his advice a little bit, but instead of sticking something in there, we're hitting it with the hammer on the side, and the thing's fucked up, so it's not like we're gonna save it. Hammer it on the side, and what happened was, as the motorcycle goes on, and you're hammering it on the side, that plunger will eventually loosen up. Once it loosens up, you'll feel the front brake start to squeeze. Once you do that, turn the motorcycle off, pull off your ABS module right here, and you're good to go. Pull off your ABS module, keep it off. You better ride on Sunday or whatever. So far, it's worked for me. Worked for KnucklesTV. It's just a temporary bypass just to get yourself away from the house when you're stuck, maybe at the coronavirus and you need to get the hell out. This will help you out. So let's go through it again. You got the ABS module plugged in. Handlebars locked. Got no front brakes. Come over here, turn the motorcycle on, neutral, hammer on this with the hammer. While you're hammering, squeeze, and then you got your brakes. Once you feel your brakes, come over here, disconnect your ABS module, you're good to go. Put your cover back on, go riding. Now, I know there's gonna be some safety Nazis out there. Well, ABS, I don't give a shit, man. We just want to ride. We'll get to it when we get to it, but right now, we just want to ride. We got some rides we're going to ride. A couple other motorcycles. At the end of the day, we want this one to work. So it'll work. It'll be good. And I want to thank KnucklesTV. I'm going to tag him on this for giving me the idea. Didn't have to take all this stuff apart. Just hammered it on the side, loosened it up, and we're good to go. Be safe out there.